Arsenal. Bam, bam, bam. Arsenal. How many shots is that? 3.
Give another one.
Hey, did that? Hey, since the beginning of the season, what did I say to you?
You say that every year.
No, you be cheeky now. Hey, Robbie's the cheeky now. Listen, I never said, I said Arsenal every season out, we got to be part of it. Yeah. When it comes to the conversation, this is a big club, man. Arsenal, we're not an easy team, though. We're not just a cheap team, right? Look at the fan base, fantastic. And we're part of it. And we're winning the league this season. I told you last season it didn't happen. But this season, listen, yeah, people will say, yeah.
Exactly. Didn't happen last season, but this season's going to happen. What is this retirement home bingo player Stormzy talking about, bro? Bro, I'm telling you right now, bro, this is Stormzy in the Zimmer frame. What is he talking about? What are you talking about? Just get behind the boys and this is the season. Bro, we've addressed nothing. Yes, the style of play is better, but what else is better, bro? What are we talking about? I'm telling you, bro, this scratch card, Euro million Stormzy, bro. What are you talking about? I'm telling you, these Arsenal, man, they must play scratch card, bro. Euro millions, bro. The way every time they get a new scratch card, this year, it's going to be my year. I'm going to win $1 million. I'm going to win $1 million. Filho da puta, para de falar a todos, para de me fuder a cabeça, pa. Para, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? We're going to win the league based on what? Based on what? Based on what? What is this chest about? We were struggling to score goals. Do you know what I'm saying? These men are chatting rubbish. Let's get, bro, I'm gonna keep it real. These men are talking rubbish, yeah? These men were talking rubbish, bro. They wanted to get rid of this bench to go get a striker, bro. But all of a sudden, this bench is able to get us over the line. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? We're going up against West Ham next, that we've lost twice to this season, in the cup and in the league. And man are talking what? Man are saying what? When we lost 3 games in a row, these filhos da puta were doing emergency streams, bro. They were doing emergency streams and calling sick for live shows. They didn't want to go on no lives, bro. All of a sudden, these men got curfew. Oh, I got to go home. I got curfew. I got to get home. I can't stay out. I can't be out. I got things to do. Filho da puta, bro. What are these men talking about? What are they talking about? What is it based on that all of a sudden we're going to win the league, bro? Gabriel, our centre-back, has 1 less goal than Jesus. Let that sink in, inject it into your veins, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Manchester, we're going to win the league. Tell my man, shut up. You know what I'm saying? Some retirement home Stormzy talking bucaria, bro. How has our centre-back got 1 less goal than our star striker, Jesus, bro? Gabriel has 3 more goals than Reece Nelson. Let that sink in. So we're still going to dry up on the goals. We don't have a focal point. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Nah, man, I'm not cansado de esa bucaria, bro. Go check the scoreboard. Nothing has changed. The only thing is what? We're playing fluid football. We're playing the same fluid football last season with the same team, and we came up short. We've not addressed anything. We have not addressed anything. That was our weakness. Whether you want to say that, oh, because Saliba got injured, well, guess what? We got Kivior. If one of our centre-backs get injured, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? What are you chatting about? Bro, it's just this fan base always have to take it too far. The bench that you lot said was a light bench has still not been fixed. What are we talking about? For this? Bruv, swear down. Bruv, just go, bruv, whatever.
Yeah, but trust me, you got to believe in these boys, believe in the coach. Listen, in the boys, yeah? And again, to Robbie was saying earlier on, they're coming back. We got Tomiyasu coming back. Our Partey will be back soon too. He'll be back. What do you mean that you don't know about that? He'll be back. And again to Jorginho is coming back. So we'll got a full squad. Forget about people talking about, oh, Man City. Forget about City. Forget about City. City not doing anything this season, man. This league belongs to Arsenal this season, man. Trust me. Thank you, Robbie.
What is this infatuation that we got a full squad? Bro, if Timber comes back, yeah, we're a bit stronger in the left back position, yeah? Cool. If Tomiyasu comes back, we've never seen a whole season of him playing well. Both of them players coming back does not take away from the fact that the lack of creativity, the quality in front of goal, we're still light in both of those aspects. So what are we talking about here? Bringing Partey back, yes, he's a bit better going forward, but ultimately, Partey's not going to be the reason why we get over the line in putting teams to bed. So we still light in our attack. What are we talking about here? How does that solve everything? We still don't have a right winger. We still don't have a striker. We still don't have a number 10 that can play through the press. What are we talking about? We still don't have a deep line playmaker that can be consistent week in, week out. How does that address that? We still, everybody being back and everybody not injured, we still have the same Bukaria bench that you man called it a light squad. How is it all of a sudden after beating Liverpool, everything's fixed? Bro, cala a boca y para de falar a toa. Para de falar a merda. Fuck this. Bro, these man chat rubbish. But anyway, we got the Black Homer Simpson coming up next.